Meet Wrxmate, your AI partner right on the shop floor. A shift kicks off, and a fresh work order drops. Wrxmate greets the operator, pulls up the job card, and surfaces the drawing, the routing, the gauges, and the work instructions in one place. No hunting through binders, no waiting on a supervisor. The operator scans the traveler. Wrxmate confirms the part, the operation, and the standard cycle time, and flags any setup notes specific to this run. Before the first piece is cut, Wrxmate checks inventory in real time. Raw stock is staged, tools are kitted, and any missing component triggers an instant call-off to the warehouse. Production starts. Wrxmate watches cycle times, catches a small drift on a critical dimension, and prompts the operator to recheck the offset before scrap happens. Quality data flows straight into SPC. When the run finishes, the operator clicks complete. Wrxmate posts the move, updates the schedule, and pushes live KPIs to the control tower. Downtime, scrap, OEE, on-time delivery, all updated automatically. The supervisor sees a clean dashboard. The planner sees an accurate finite schedule. Finance sees real cost per unit. And the operator? They get a smart, calm partner that handles the paperwork so they can focus on making good parts. That is Wrxmate, built into Wrxflo MS, your operator's best friend on the floor.